Don't be intimidated dun sa mga plano ng Diyos sa iyo. Baka kasi ang reaction mo ay ganito, Lord, kaya ko ba yan? Lord, parang hindi dapat sa akin yan. Lord, hindi nababagay sa akin yan. Lord, introvert ako. Yan. Di ba? Tinamaan ko lahat, di ba? Alright? Lord, big dreams naman yan, nakakalula. Paano? Hindi ko ata kaya yan. At this part, let me teach you about a mustard seed faith. At this point, we will be talking about dreaming big dreams and planting small seeds. 2-step lang po ito. Step number 1 is this. You need to go to the wilderness. We need to imitate Jesus. You need to leave your Capernaum. You need to leave your busyness. So yun na. Saan ka busy or saan ka nagbibisi-bisihan? You need to leave your busyness. You need to leave your chaos. Ito pa, listen to me. 2026 na, pwede ba iwan mo na yung drama ng buhay mo? Tama na. Yung victim thinking mo, victim mindset mo, tama na. Okay? You need to leave the noise around you, even the culture of the crowd. You need to leave it behind. You need to leave the standards of the world. Lahat sila, ba't ganun? Ako, hindi. Ito pa. You need to leave even your current success. Ang hirap, no? Pero yun yung sinabi ni Doc Ryan kanina. Be careful with your success. It's dangerous. You need to take time and go to the wilderness. Make room to encounter God and listen to His voice. If wala ka pang life verse ngayong taon, I invite you to embrace Matthew chapter 6 verse 33. And it says, but seek first the kingdom of God and His righteousness. And all these things, pakisabi nga, all these things, pakisabi, shall be added. And then ituro ang katabi, to you. But you need to seek first the kingdom of God. And I've taught this to you. Pag sinabing kingdom of God, it's not about the territory, but it's about the presence of Jesus. Seek first Jesus.